Please stay your ass out of the streets so the streets can be safe for me, you, y'all, and everyone, as well as everybody. Please stay your ass out of the streets. Welcome to the channel of entertainment. This is Major Barnes and I approve this message. Welcome to the channel of entertainment. Headed to the drugstop. Yeah, yeah. Headed to the drugstop. Headed to the drugstop. Headed to the drugstop. Yeah. Headed to the drugstop.
Man, let's go.
Yo, man, where we at, bro? Birmingham, Alabama. Oh, yeah, bam, 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 Bama. Birmingham. Man, oh, man. City has a history, big toe. Ain't that the truth? Yeah, bro. Birmingham. Look pretty good and quiet out here. Friday morning. Pretty good and quiet. Yeah, it be like that, Diego. Know your role. Oh, for sure, for sure. Gotta know my role, gotta play my role. And I got to do the best that I could do while I'm in my role. Be a role player. Know your role. Yeah, bruh. Gotta know what you know so you'll know something. Smooth roads out here through here. Yeah, but the other part wasn't smooth. Oh yeah, coming in from 20 west. Yeah, 59 north, it got a little rough. They gonna fix it though, they gonna get it just like this. They're gonna get it right. Bad we weren't able to see the downtown area at night, lit up like a Christmas trizzy. Is that your exit? Nah, bro, that's 22 West. That'll take you over to Mississippi and Memphis. Oh yeah, we was just on that. 22. Man. 22s on them shoes. Like a Swift driver up there. Yeah, I think that is a Swift trailer. Man, oh man, gotta stay swift out here. Swift. Say, Mage, I wanted to ask you, bruh. Where we headed? Where we headed tonight? Or this morning? Where we headed? Right now, bruh, we headed 65 north. Yeah, I know that. But I was just, curious about where we headed right now. I like to know where we headed. Besides Interstate 65 North in Alabama, Birmingham, where we headed? We getting ready to head it further north. Shut it all the way down. Take a 10-hour, well, maybe a 14-hour break. Because when we get up, we gotta drive all the way to the destination. Take care of business at 2 a.m. Saturday. 2 a.m. sharp. Like a razor's edge. Oh man, a razor's edge delivery. Man, oh man. Razor's edge. Well, I appreciate the info, big dog. You're welcome, man. Talk to my viewers. Shout out to the viewers. Those enjoying season 2 and let me see here. Yeah, we headed out west as an overall objective. You gotta see what you can be. Shout out to Momo and Mimi. Yeah. And Crystal. Yeah, all of them. Ebony and Man and Joe. Shout out to the whole fam. But nevertheless, let's see here, Major. Talk to my viewers, bro. Yeah, viewers. Like I was saying, make sure you got your notification bell on. Make sure you got you some good food. And let's see here, I'm a little lost for words. Might want to have a spelling contest because I'm lost for words. Let's see here. Yeah, viewers, we are headed out west, season 2. And can't think about what I was gonna say, Mage. I'm usually not like this, man, but it's gonna be times to where you have to push your back against the wall and have the wall hold you down. That way nobody gets behind you and put a lock in the sock against your cranium. That's Splatterville. Yeah. It's kind of catchy. Splatterville. Yeah, Major, you gotta catch the red stuff. Get to a nurse or doctor to stop the bleeding. That's all we want to do is stop the bleeding. It's a process. Don't want to lose too much blood. If you lose a lot of blood, you may need a, what do you call it, Major? Blood transfusion. Something like that. I'm not a doctor. Yeah. Was that a PhD. Yeah, medical degree. Ha! No Dr. Zeus. Oh man, that's a nice cross up there, man. Guess I know what I'm gonna be talking about. Man, oh man. That's a nice cross. Kind of like, it ain't as wide as that other cross we seen today in Mississippi. That one in Mississippi was huger than that one, but they both mean something major. What they mean, bro? It's a reminder of the sacrifice that was done on that cross, major. You know that's right, bro. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. It's always good to have that thought, that feeling, that Holy Spirit, big dog. Man, it's the most safest a person can ever feel, major. Man, oh man. Just fill you all up inside of whatnot. The Holy Spirit, major. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Take them to church. Yes, indeed, major. That's who we be praising. Praising the Lord, the King. Without a doubt. K-I-N-G, major. K-I-N-G. That's right, Diego. The King. Bow down to the King. Yes, indeed. I remember Andre 3000 said he was praying so much he needed knee pads. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. All praises go to the Most High. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. But nevertheless, viewers, I'm not gonna preach to y'all. Y'all already know you gotta do your homework if you want, if you wish. You have been granted the free will. The free will is all in your hands. That's the beauty of it. You get to choose. But I will tell you this, choose wisely. Oh yeah, Diego. Choose wisely. That's right, man. Choose wisely. All of that makes sense. Both of them words make sense, bro. Make big sense. Yeah, major. Common sense. One thing about it, you can't take a dime with you when you die. Not one red cent. All your stuff gets left over to whoever wants to take part of it. Yeah, Diego. Can't take any of this stuff when you go. Don't need it. It's useless. That's right. That's right, Misha. That's right. That's exactly right. Man, oh man. Well, viewers, like I was saying before I was delaying, shout out to y'all. Nothing but love. Shout out to y'all. Keep doing your thing. Repeat after me. I love myself and I'm going to have a great day. Thank you for binge watching Major Barnes. That's at Major Barnes 4090. Season 2. I I say season 2 quite a bit because that's exactly what it is. This is the second season. Season 1 is complete, done, and in the history books. Now it's time for season 2 to continue. Major, I can't wait to get out west. You trying to roll to the truck stop? Yeah, big dog. Trying to roll to the truck stop. Can't wait to get there. Is that where we headed? Or we going to a Wisteria? Or a Walmart? Or a Planet Fitness? Or a Service Plaza? That's a lot of selections. I'm gonna have to say a truck stop, big dog. One of the big ones. We're going to a truck stop that I almost forgot about. Almost. It didn't hit me like boom, bam. Remember that? Boom, bam. Yeah, that was in Texas. That was in Texas, bro. Boom, bam. Kick it like that, bitch. Boom, bam. I was hyped down there in Texas, man. Them Texas roads. Maybe we'll go back down to Texas and about, especially to El Paso, man. Man, I'm glad you recorded that trip, man. That was lit, man, going to El Paso, man. Oh, man. Man. Texas is off the hook, man. No phone call, none. Line busy. Nothing but an operator. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Call an ID. You know, star 67. Can't get this phone to work. Yeah, Diego. This truck stop we going to is humongous, man. Oh, word, man. Can't wait to see it, big dog. Matter of fact, I don't even think I've been through here. I might have been through here, but you know how it go. You know how the show go. It's kind of hard to remember every place, every mile. You gotta document it. Put it on film. Sit back and watch it. Yeah, put it on replay. Put it on replay. Hey, put it on replay. Put it on replay. Hey, put it on replay. Put it on replay. Hey, that's another song, Major. And I have to write that one down and record it when we go to the studio. Put it on replay, man. Oh man. Yeah, and I had the lady shaking it to that one. Put it on replay. Man, oh man. Man, I got to copyright that one. Put it on replay. It's kind of already done, man. It's been recorded already. Oh, yeah. I got the date, man. What's the date? If it's after midnight, it should be March the 14th, 2025. Oh, yeah. 314-2025. Man, let me see here what the time is. Oh, man, it's 1258 Central Time. And we headed to the truck stop. We headed to the truck stop. What? We headed to the truck stop. We headed to the truck stop. What? Where you headed? Where you headed? Where you headed? We're headed to the truck stop. Yeah, I'm headed. Where you headed? I'm headed to the truck stop. Yeah. Where you going? I'm going to the truck stop. Yeah, yeah, I'm headed. Where you headed? I'm headed to the truck stop. Yeah, yeah, headed to the truck stop, and we don't stop. Headed to the truck stop, and we never stop. Headed to the truck stop, and we won't stop. It be a long episode. It be longer than an hour. Straight power. You know how the show go. We headed to the truck stop. What? We headed to the truck stop. You know, Diego, I gotta edit that video. That other video, headed to the truck stop, hashtag 26. Oh yeah. You talking about the one out there in VA? Yeah, that one. Oh man, that was crazy, man. That was crazy. Matter of fact, if you make this headed to the truck stop hashtag video, bruh, I'll go ahead and go into one of them. Well, it wasn't a story. I was telling that jokey joke that BG Dino is telling the world in the Terror Dome on the Dante Show Network. Oh yeah, I remember that. Word about the bird that was flying south, and the bird kind of didn't keep up with the flock. Since the bird be flying, it took a layover in the bar. Yeah, that bird. Yeah, I said I was gonna remix it, so yeah, man. That bird had like some anger issues and all kinds of stuff going on, strangely enough. The bird was feeling a certain type of way to not really fly with the rest of the birdies. But as I go, Major, sometimes people can drift. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Drifters. Yeah, let me get one of them waters, bro. I got you, man. About to re-up anyway. Gotta get some more. Gotta get a couple more cases. Yeah, appreciate that, bro. Man, a little thirsty. Doing all this talking, get a little thirsty out here. Man, it's dark out here, man. It's like the midnight hour out here, man. But I know you glad, man, instead of all that daytime driving yesterday, that was getting kind of different, man. Oh yeah, people be in the way, man. You gotta work with them. You gotta work with them. You gotta be very patient. Very patient. Be able to see it before it happened. Stay in the safe zone. Hit the safe mode button. You know what I'm saying? Hit the safe mode. Because you need that. Because you're just trying to get from point A to point B to point C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. You get what I'm saying? Trying to get all them points. 100% of the time safely. That's all that matters. All the stuff that happens in between, it don't really matter. Kind of like when they playing ball. Stats don't matter. Did you win or did you lose? stats matter, it would be a thing to where it didn't matter if you won or lost. But stats don't matter, Diego. Yeah, bruh. Yeah, we only looking for winners. And if you lose, we want to know how you gonna try to fix that the next time. Try to get it correct. Get it correct. Correct the mungo. But anyways, like I was saying about this little birdie was in the barn, and all of a sudden it got to a nice spot right up close to a horse's buttocks, and that horse released, defecated all over the bird. It was bad, Major. The bird had defecation all in the bird's eyes. You know, a bird relies on their eyes quite a bit. Quite a bit is one of their special features or characteristics in the option modes game. But anyways, nevertheless, the bird was kind of stuck under the defecation, because you know the horse puts out a lot. Be coming out heavy load. Oh yeah, I know what you're saying, bro. It was a heavy load, and the bird was kind of stuck in the defecation. The bird started screaming for help. Kind of like in a cartoon, but this was real life, Major. And all of a sudden, the cat came in the barn. Cat came in the barn. Just hang out with the horses. Cat liked to, climb up one of the horses from time to time. Horse didn't like it, but you know how it goes. These animals do weird things. Oh yeah, you got that right. And then next thing you know, the bird was screaming louder and louder, and the cat seen the bird and ran over to the bird. Started looking at the bird in that stinky defecation and whatnot. Seemed like it was kind of a turnoff for the bird, but it wasn't. It really wasn't. Because the cat got turned on. The bird got turned on because the bird felt like, the bird was getting some help. The bird felt good getting some help. The cat started just licking the bird clean, lick after lick. Took about 5 minutes to get the bird cleaned up, but the cat was persistent. Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Motivated. Yeah, Major, that word as well, motivated. That's a good one. I like that word. But anyways, finish the story, bro. Go ahead, man. Pardon the interruption. Oh, it's all good. Don't you worry about it, man. Don't you worry about it. Let's see here. Where was I? He was at the point where the cat was saving the bird. It took about 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. It took about 5 minutes to get the bird all licked up and everything. Then the cat kept licking the bird a few more times. The bird was chirping, the bird was all happy and everything. Then all of a sudden, the cat ate the bird, Major. Ate the bird. Devoured it. Yep. Ate the bird up. Like a good meal. One of them hungry man meals. just stuck its teeth all in the bird. It was just bad for the bird. Very bad for the bird. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, man, true story, man. True story. They be like that, man. They be just like that in life. You see, B.G. Dino, he was telling that story because it be like that in life. He was letting everybody know at the beginning of the year that it could be like that. Moral of the story is, Majors, everybody that defecate on you is not your enemy. And everybody that clean you up and build you up and make you feel good about yourself, it's not your friend. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. I don't know which one is more crazy, the moral of the story or what happened in the story. All of it, Major, all of it's combined, all into one. All into one. Kind of like when you go to Popeyes and you get them 5-piece chicken spicy tenders with the extra Frenchy fries and the biscuit. It's all into one, Major. Go together. Go together. Ain't that the truth, bro? I like that story, man. I like that story, man. That's true stuff, right? Yeah, man. You know it, man. You know it. You know it. You know, Majors, life is like that, man. Sometimes or many times people can drift or get sidetracked and end up in some defecation, man. And you know what it be, Major? What it be, bro? It be a big waste of time, but at the same time, it's all about the experience. All about it. You got that right, bro. Yeah, man. You know it. Man, that's a pretty good story, man. I hope some people laugh to that. Man, they probably will, man. Some people feel bad for the bird, like it's their bird. It's not even their bird. They missed the point. Try not to miss the point of the story. Yeah, you're right, Diego. You're right, man. Don't miss the point. Stay focused. Oh, Major got some people on the shoulder. Why are they on the shoulder? Not sure, Diego, but that could be dangerous. Super dangerous. You gotta do the best that you can when it comes to visibility. Oh man, we going to the whatchamacallit, the Petro. That's right, big dog, that's right. Looks like it's been raining out here. Hope this place ain't full. Nah, bro, it's plenty spots out here. Yeah, but they done changed the game. They got a lot of them reserved. Oh man, that's weak. Reserved on the other side. They probably are. Man, it's a long walk to the truck stop. Man. Ain't gonna quarter of a mile, bro. Had to break out the roller skates or the skateboard. Had to Tony Hawk that thing out here, man. Yeah, Diego, it bees like that. Let me check my time. So I should have about 40 minutes left. Oh yeah, I got 60, well actually 79 minutes. Where you gonna park at, bro? I don't know, man, I don't know. We just surveying right now, surveying the scene. You know, this is one of those headed to the truck stop videos. Oh yeah, bro, those be the good ones. Those be the ones. Oh, they got a shop way back here. Man, that's a long ways from the shop to the store. They built this thing right, Major. You got it like a long walk. Long boat. Would have cleaned my windshield, but may wake up and it be raining. Who knows? Yeah, but Diego, man, that was a pretty good story, man. Little birdie. Little birdie. Little birdie. Little birdie should have kept up with the flock. Yeah, gotta stay with the game. Got to, man. To avoid that from happening. Avoidance.